Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through Stripe and we're going to discuss what are some of the features of Stripe and how to use Stripe as a complete beginner. So let's get started. So as you can see in front of you, this is the Stripe homepage. Here you will get reports overview. So how much gross volume you've done, your net volume sales, customers, successful payments, disputes, etc. Here on the right hand side, you will be able to see your payouts and your balance. Your balance indicates your future payouts, and payouts is when was the last time you got paid. So in this case, I got paid 45 euros on September the 15th. Now on the top here, you can see that there are a couple of tabs that we can open: payments, balances, customers, products, reports, connect, and more. So let's go through them one by one. Payments. Here you can see all of the transactions that happened using your Stripe. So as you can see, this is all blurred, but one of these rows shows exactly who the customer is, what they bought, and what is the amount that they paid. Now here you can see that these are the disputes. You can see that I have no disputed payments that need a response. Now, when you click on fraud and risk, here you will be able to see all of the fraudulent activity and all of the fraudulent transactions that someone tried to do using your Stripe. So here you'll be able to see if anything sketchy is going on. Now, if we go to invoices right here, this is where you can create an invoice for your customer. So let's say someone reaches out to you and they would like to buy something with a custom price. This is where you can do it. You simply hover over create an invoice, and this is where you create an invoice. By the way, we have another video on our channel talking about how to create an invoice, so just make sure to check it out. And here is also another very useful feature, is called a subscription. So you can actually charge someone on a recurring basis. So once again, you click create subscription, you send it to the customer, and then you just notify how much and when they need to pay each single month. And they're going to receive that invoice every single month. So now moving on to the balances here on the top. Here you're going to see what is your account balance. So this is how much Stripe needs to pay you. As you can see, it's 0 right now. This is all the money that was deposited into your accounts. And this is how much is expected to come to Stripe. And if you navigate here to the payouts, you will be able to see even further all of the payouts that happened on your account. Moving on, if we click to customers, we'll be able to see all of our customers here. This is blurred for you, but there is their name, their email, their last 4 digits of their card, how much they spent with you, and when. So this is a very detailed breakdown here, and you will be able to see here all of your customers. Now, if we move on to the products, here, I don't really use this feature, but you can add products that you sell here in Stripe. So if you would like to charge some kind of a product, then this is where you can do it. Additionally, you can create coupons. As you can see, I don't have any coupons. You can also do shipping rates, tax rates, and pricing tablets. I don't use these, so there is not much for me to show, but if you're going to use, you simply navigate and you click the button right in the middle. Let's move on to the reports. So here in the reports, you will be able to generate all kinds of reports for your business: balance, payout reconciliation, revenue recognition, etc., etc. There are a lot of different reports you can generate here for accounting purposes or whatnot. So just make sure that you navigate here and you check out what is available for you, because there's many different options here. Here in the second last tab, connect, you will be able to connect Stripe to other platforms, for example, Squarespace or WooCommerce or Wix. And you will also be able to simplify your workflow with Stripe apps such as MailChimp, DocuSign, etc. Now, the last one here is more. You can see that there are a lot of features here in Stripe which you can use. Unfortunately, I haven't done any of them, so I won't be able to walk you through them. But as you can see, there are many different features and apps that you can use. So overall, Stripe is a great software that I have been using over the past 5 years or so. It's great with Shopify, with any e-commerce platform. It really allows you to just, accept payments online and get them transferred to your bank account. So yeah, this was a walkthrough Stripe. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.